Sponsored by
PhD, MPhil किसी भी विषय में डिप्लोमा के अनेक अवसर है RKTF यूनिवर्सिटी में एडमिशन्स ओपन।
In a shocking fire incident in Kuwait's southern Ahmadi Governorate, several Indian nationals are feared dead while more than 50 are brutally injured. As per the latest updates, Indian ambassadors to Kuwait have visited the Al Adan hospital in Kuwait, where over 30 Indian workers who were injured are currently undergoing treatment. The Indian embassy has also released an emergency helpline number for Indian workers in connection with the fire accident which killed 41 people. Meanwhile, expressing shock, EM.S. Jaishankar has assured that the Indian embassy will render fullest assistance to all concerned in this regard. Minister of External Affairs Jaishankar in a post on X wrote, deeply shocked by the news of the fire incident in Kuwait City. There are reportedly over 40 deaths and over 50 have been hospitalized. Our ambassador has gone to the camp. According to multiple reports, the blaze broke out early Wednesday morning in a kitchen on a lower floor and quickly spread through the building, trapping many inside. However, Kuwait's Deputy Prime Minister Sheikh Fahad Yusuf Saud Al Sabah accused the real estate owners of violations and greed, saying those factors contributed to the incident. Reacting promptly, the Indian Embassy released emergency helpline numbers for the Indian workers, for the people and their relatives who have been affected by the grievous incident. Hoping for early and full recovery of those injured, Jaishankar noted that the ministry awaits further information regarding the incident. Meanwhile, Indian ambassadors who visited the Al Adan hospital in Kuwait said that almost all the injured have been reported to be stable by hospital authorities. Additionally, Ambassador Adarsh Swayaka, who visited the hospital, met a number of patients and assured them of full assistance from the embassy.